Hi everyone, it is Ladia Ann, and I'm making a Chinese dragon. So I have a red one like this, but I'm going to make a blue one. And you start by making the body parts, body 1, body 2, and body 3. And that is what I'm doing right now. Round 3, 18. Round 4, 24. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we'll go to round 4, 24. And then round 5 is 30, and round 6 is 36. So we'll do 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good morning everyone, it is Ladia Ann, and I wanted to share with you my updates on my beautiful blue dragon I just completed. So cute. Alright, so this dragon, I made it for myself, and it is mine, and I love it. Okay, so I'm going to put my dragon aside, but it is now completed. And okay, dragon, stand up. All right, it's just looking at me. Okay, so that's my blue dragon, and I'm making some magnets for my auntie in Hawaii. So this is what I make, excuse me, what I'm making for her. I have to drink some of my water, flavored water, cherry lemonade. And it is very delicious. Okay, so I'm making her the owl, as you can see, the frog, the bear. I'm making her some flowers. So far I've only made the owl. This is the owl I'm making. So I'm making owls this morning, and then I made some of the flowers already. So these are what the flowers look like. All right, and so they're going to have faces on them, Google faces. As you can see on here, they do have faces on them. And it's just depending on the size of the flower but I'm focusing on the owls today. And then after that, I'm probably going to try to make the bear. Okay, and work my way. Maybe I'll make some worms. I think those are easy to make if you can see it. All right, so I'm making all the owl eyes right now. So I'm making 5 owls, 2 for me, 4 for her. So I have to make 3 more owls for her and 2 owls for me so I can stick it on my refrigerator. And the eyes, all the eyes are made just of 6 single crochet in a ring. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just doing all the body parts first. Forgot to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so let's close this one. And I'm only making 5 owls. Is it 5 or 4? 5. No, 4 for her, 2 for me. So that's 6. 1 owl, 2, 3, 4. 4 more of these, and that will make 6 for 6 owls. And it does not take me that long to make this. 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm able to crochet faster than last week. Last week I had a hard time because I had first time having a spinning vertigo last Sunday. Now this is a week later. This is Sunday, so I'm feeling a lot better. But I did go to work Monday and I was feeling very lightheaded. Then I worked Tuesday. I went to work and I went straight to the ER. Was not feeling good. Very dizzy, lightheaded. They gave me medication called meclizine. That helped. But I went home for the last next few days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I did a lot of sleeping. Yesterday I slept a lot. It was Friday. Then I couldn't go to sleep because I was sleeping all night and then sleeping most of the day. So tonight, like Saturday night, I just stayed up all night. And it's already 7:30 in the morning. I'm still wide awake. I've overslept. So it's like my body is... And now I'm kind of feeling normal because I did move stuff around. I wasn't able to do that. I did walk every day outside around downtown. Did a little bit each day. Yesterday I got lost. I don't know, I went down 3rd Street and how do I get back home? Because I live on 4th Street and I got so confused with the street, which way it's going, because some of the streets here are one way. So I have made a complete turnaround. But yesterday I did take my cane because I didn't want to feel, imbalanced. And because I don't know my way around, I took my cane. So I did quite a bit of walking, which was good for my health. But anyway, today I'm feeling good. I'll probably go outside, sitting out on my porch, and do some crocheting out there. But I noticed looking outside, it was wet. So I was wondering why it was so cold. So it was raining. So, well, I'm glad I moved my stand that I had on this side. It used to be in the back. I moved my printer a little bit more this way. I moved my bookcase on this wall instead of was behind me. I was able to move stuff around today, this morning, and I'm starting to feel like myself, but I still got 1 week left to go to rest before I can go back to work. They won't let me go back to work until I feel a lot better. So I'm starting to feel better, but I don't know how my day is going to be. I do need to clean up my shed and move my crafts in a different area, because it's right now, when we moved, I put everything in the back. You know, nothing is arranged back there. So if I do a craft show, I have to have my crafts in the front of me. So I have some of my crafts there, but I have some in my storage in Stanton. I do have a storage in Stanton. It has a lot of my crafts there, but I need to get some of my baskets, because I'm going to need my baskets when I set up for my craft shows here. So that way I can be ready. But right now I'm not ready. There is a craft show this Friday, May the 1st. It would be great if I did that, but that's this Friday. So I'm not sure if I want to do that. I can if I want to. And I know I'm going to make money there because it's really good. I have a good turnout there. A lot of people love my stuff. So I'm thinking about it. Maybe I might do it. Maybe I might not. We will see. I'm just taking it easy. Don't want to overdo it. But today I have to finish my auntie's order. So her minions, I don't know if I shared it with you. I made these yesterday. So she wanted the ones with the 2 eyes. I kind of had to make it up my own. I hope the eyes are okay. But my son said the 2 eyes are okay. They look kind of a little big, but I don't know. I think they're okay. She sold out on the ones I sent her. So she's requesting me to make more, but the ones that sold out had only 1 eye. I don't know if that's just Stuart or I don't know, but there's some of them with the 2 eyes. So that's what I'm making. And the magnets today. So I'll make me 2 owls for myself and 4 owls for her. I made 4 flowers, and I want to make her some green worms. Maybe 4 each. As you can see, here it is again. So, depending how I feel. Alright, so let's complete this, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye for now, everyone. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay safe, and talk to you all soon. Bye.